Welcome everyone to Trails with Matt. Today we are changing bicycle pedals. Now some of you already know how, some of you don't. People who purchased a bike and have never worked on a bike, this is one thing that you might want to know how to do, changing a bicycle pedal. So today I have a friend's bike and we are going to install new pedals on this bike. Stay tuned. So what we have here is Fuker bicycle pedals. If anybody was looking at a good set of pedals, these really look like a good set. I've never used them, but they are called Fuker mountain bike pedals, FR X17 needle bearing pedals. Much better quality than what is on the bike currently. We'll pull these out of here. One thing I do want to note is the left pedal is counterclockwise thread. If you look on the back of this box here, it gives you all the instructions and tells you how to do everything, and it also says that it's marked left-handed thread. So clockwise and counterclockwise. Here are the new pedals. Nice. You can see the studs. They are replaceable with a Torx screw. Very nice. Very nice feel. Nice and lightweight. Let's see what these look like on the bike. The left side of the bike, which is your left pedal, the threads are counterclockwise. Just watch and see process. See that this here has a slot for a wrench. Okay, nothing on the back side, it's flat. If you look at the new pedal, we do not have a slot here. Okay, there is an Allen screw or Allen head that you can put in here. You would simply put this in, tighten it in from the back side. There are a couple shims that come with these pedals. We will be installing them on there as well. Also, one thing I recommend is anti-seize. Install anti-seize onto the threads here so that we do not have any corrosion or freeze up of future removal of the pedal. The right side of the pedal, the right pedal, it is counterclockwise to loosen. So we just changed out the pedals and you all will be able to see how these pedals work. Let's do a demonstration. Oh, they grab so good. There is no slipping off of these whatsoever. Nice. All right, everyone. Well, I hope that helps. I hope that it helps you know how to change a pedal. I know it's not a huge thing, but there's a lot of people who have just bought a bicycle and they don't know how to change the pedals. I just wanted to share that with you all today. I hope this helps someone out there. Like, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, peace.